In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload multiple files to LiveBinders. So we want to go to the file management page to do that. If you haven't been there before, you mouse over your username and click on My Uploaded Files. And if you haven't been there before, you may not know that this is where all your files are located. So this is where you can delete files and manage them. And that's under Manage Uploaded Files here. But if I want to upload more, I click on Upload Files. And I can either drag and drop files from my computer here, or I can click on Add Files and find them that way. So I select the files I want to upload, click on Open, and I can see those are all queued up here. I click on Start Upload, and I can watch them upload here. Okay, they're done. And if I scroll down, I will see them in my Managed Upload Files down here. And you can see that they have a checkbox next to them. And the reason for that is I can quickly then add them to a binder if I want. So if I click on Add to Binder, this LiveBinder It window is going to pop up. And let me select which binder I want to add them to. And I can add them as a main tab or a sub-tab. So if I click on Add to Binder, those files have all been added to that binder. So let's go take a look at that binder. And I'm going to go into this in edit mode because I want to show you another way to add files as well. So I click on Edit. And you can see all of those files were added here in the last tabs, and they just use the file name as the tab name, which of course you can change later. But I also want to show you another way you can add files to your binder. So for example, if you're adding to a template binder, like maybe a student is adding to a template binder that the teacher created, you would want to do it this way. You'd want to go to Add Content, click on My Files, and all your uploaded files are here. You can search for them by name or just click on All, and it shows the most recent ones first. So if I click on any of these, they will be inserted in the current tab. So that file just got inserted in that tab. Click on my next tab, and that inserts that file in that tab. So that is a very fast way, if you've already got tab names set up, to insert files. I'm going to show you one more thing, and that is inserting files as links. Sometimes people want to do this, so I think it's a good thing to know. So I'm going to create a new tab and go back to Add Content here. And I select Text and one column text. Now if I go back to my files and I start to insert those files, they're going to show up as links. They're not very legible links, but you can click here to edit, select the link, click on this little link icon, and under text to display, you can change the name here. So there you have it. That's how you upload multiple files to LiveBinders and add them from inside the binder, and also add them as links if that's what you want to do. Thanks for listening.